Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex, actually, I got the recipe. Yeah, actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me, cause I smash his freak. Damn. It's your world, it's my world, it's Vonte's world. Welcome back to the channel, man. If you're new, hit the like button, go ahead and subscribe right now. Yeah, man, I went ahead and ordered some drilled and slotted rotors. I'm gonna be putting them on my Dodge Charger. I got the full set, so we doing the front and the back. I'll be showing y'all how to do that today. And it came with brakes and everything you need. So I'm gonna show y'all me installing this, and then I'm gonna hop in it, take it for a test drive once I'm done, depending on what time I get done. But yeah, we're gonna get right into it, man. Right there, we got the brakes, and then we got the rotors. Okay, so first thing you wanna do, take your brake caliper off. Get you a good 13 millimeter. Take that off. And I already loosened everything to make it nice and easy. Once you get those two off, caliper should be able to come off like so. Then you want to get yourself some type of hanger or rope, because you don't want this to hang while you're replacing the rotors. You don't want it to hang by the brake line. So just hook it up right there. Make sure brake line's not being pinched. We're using a 21 millimeter to get this bracket off in the back. And then fucking breaker bar, you're gonna need one of these to get it off. I tried to get this off with just a regular socket wrench, and you ain't gonna be able to do that. It ain't gonna happen. So you need like a breaker bar at least or something to get this off. But once you get it on there, it should be pretty easy to come off after that. I already got this loose, by the way. So once you get that second bolt off, this bracket come right off, and then set that aside. That should be coming right off. So we got the old rotor right here. Comment below if you want these. I'll give them to you for the free ball, so they ain't even that bad. You know what I'm saying? You might be able to throw them in your shit. Get you a C clamp so you could push the piston back. Share the video. I wonder what that bitch is doing.
I know, when I left the house, I seen you post that bitch. I was like, I'll watch that bitch when I get back.
My shit been flopping lately. Like, I still get views, but I should be down. But I think that's how it be. Like, the more often I post, the less views I get.
Yeah. But then they eventually catch up to that shit, though.
Yeah, I feel like a new YouTuber is like, they don't want to watch your shit all the time.
Mm-hmm.
But you gotta do that to catch the algorithm. So it's like
I said, you gotta keep doing that shit. And like I said, you ain't doing the same shit over and over. You doing different shit. So it's like, in a minute, nigga, shit, like, you never know, nigga. One of these bitches gonna hit. And then they gonna have to catch back up. Right. Because you got so much other shit, you feel me? That's usually how I go, though. Oh, okay. Let me watch the other video this nigga was doing. Shit, next time niggas have a meeting, nigga, I'm telling you, when Tall Guy and them came out here, nigga, I wish you would have owned them niggas back then.
Yeah.
Some niggas was down here, but I was at work. But them niggas was here, nigga. Like, nigga could have stole little fans from them niggas. Yeah. But now they even bigger than they was. Because I think when they came out here, they was only like, I think Mr. Organic only had like 90,000. That nigga Tall Guy had like 200. But shit, that's still enough people, nigga, to take a couple hundred from them niggas.
Even if I get 100, nigga, 100 is 100. Shit, I feel like only about 10% of your fucking subscribers actually watch a video unless you like a DGG type of nigga.
Yeah.
He get millions of views, 100,000 views every video.
Off of the same shit though. Yeah. He be doing the same goddamn shit.
Sit in the car, go to Starbucks, sit in the car and talk the whole video and get 300,000 views.
Act like he fucking with the Starbucks bitch.
Right.
He get 300,000 views in a fucking hour and shit. Like, damn.
Look at the motherfucking wheels. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? We got the red calibers on there. So now we about to put the tires back on. That boy looking nice. Even though the paint a little dull on that motherfucker, I feel like when I put the tire on, you ain't gonna be able to tell. That bitch gonna pop. The brakes is all done. The rotors is back on. We got to get back in the car. Start the car. Drop the top. Because the top do drop, you know what I'm saying? We gotta take the e-brake off, pump up the brakes. And make sure that we got stopping power. I think it's good now. Let's test it. Yeah, we can stop. Let's just make sure. So I did this once before and I almost died changing my brakes and didn't pump the brakes after you put the new ones on. So make sure you do that. That's the most important part. You know what I'm saying? It's the most important part of the whole process. That's the most important part. But I ain't talking about shit. Y'all seen how that shit came out? Let me know how it's looking in the comment section. I'm about to go to the car wash now. We gonna get the pull up and get the cars washed. Yeah, man. So I'm in the car right now. You know, we just replaced the rotor, so got to take it for a drive. It's driving pretty good. When I changed my rotors, I also on my passenger side I also changed the control arm, and I put new tire rod ends on. I put new tire rod ends on them, so I need a wheel alignment. My alignment is a little bit off, but other than that, we riding smooth, we stopping smooth. I don't hear no squeakities. I don't hear no squeaks like I was hearing before. And we about to go to the car wash right now and get a little wash. You know what I'm saying? Wash it up, sauce it up a little bit. Wash it up, get this boy nice and clean. Get some little drippities on it. And yeah, man, thank y'all for watching. Go ahead and like, subscribe. You know, I ain't really talking about shit, but hey, it don't matter. Hey, my birthday coming up this weekend on Sunday, so hopefully you know, we get to do a little get together, even though it's quarantine and corona going on. You know, still gotta bring the B-Day in the right way. You know what I'm saying? So I got the top open on this motherfucker. Let me close the top on this motherfucker so y'all can hear me. The blessing to see another year, man. It's crazy because I'm about to be 26. I'm about to be 26, which means I'm about to be 30. But I ain't really tripping because I'm really looking forward to the 30s. I think that shit gonna be lit on my grown man shit, you know what I'm saying? 20s is lit, they ain't over yet. There's a lot more big shit to come. But I think the 30s is gonna be lit because I feel like I'd be more established and settled, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, go ahead and go to the car wash, wash this boy up, get it nice and drippity. got the rotors on there. That's what it's looking like. Final results of it. You know what I'm saying? That's what it's looking like on there. Off the rear brake calipers. Wet. Yes, sir. That bitch wet. We got the other charger right there. Another charger pulled up right next to me. You know what I'm saying? And we got the red. The red on red. Them bitches so hard. So hard. Yes, sir.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel. Because they all of us got YouTube channels.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your Majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king. King.